If you need to send a photo through email on your iPhone, here's a step-by-step guide to attach photos and videos quickly and easily. First of all, open the Mail app, then tap on the compose icon at the bottom right to start a new email. After that, tap anywhere in the message body to bring up the editing menu. After that, tap here, then choose the link icon. Here, tap on Photo Library and choose the photo you want, then tap Choose to attach it. Now, just add a recipient, subject and hit send. And you can also share directly from Photos app. And for that, open the Photos app, then select the photo or video you want to send. After that, tap on the share icon at the bottom left, then choose Mail. A new email opens with the photo already attached. Just fill in the details and send. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.